Hi, everybody. I think we are live. Welcome to this meeting tonight. Um, I'm happy to see a full house. Thanks a lot for taking the time out of your busy schedule and come and listen to me. And in this meeting, we will talk about D.AI.SY, right? And I was able to secure this PowerPoint presentation that is not fully approved, so it's not 100% accurate, but I would say it's kind of 98% accurate. So a few minor things might change, but most of the things are pretty accurate. So here is that was the first disclaimer, and this is the second disclaimer. Contributions are not investments into trading and are for the purpose of crowdfunding D.AI.SY AI. 85% of trading profits generated from the crowdfunding are rewarded back to the crowdfund participants. And we will talk about how those 85% are distributed. And past performance does not guarantee future results, and historical results are based on compounded returns. And we will talk about the historical results so you guys understand what kind of returns we might expect with D.AI.SY AI. With D.AI.SY AI, we have a new type of financial business because here we have a unique combination of crowdfunding based on a smart contract and transparent AI trading. And we will talk about all the details in just a few moments. But before we do that, let me introduce the brain behind D.AI.SY to you. And this lady is the founder and CEO of Endotech. And we talked about Endotech in our previous meeting. Um, so Anna Becker has a very impressive background. At age of 20, she solved a mathematical equation that was unsolved for 30 years, right? And this has granted her a professor degree at the local university in Israel. And she's also a entrepreneur, right? She was running a couple of companies and still runs a few. And the previous company called Strategy Runner was sold back in 11 for a price of 3.75 million, right? In 17, Dr. Anna became a member of DRC, so that's the Dispute Resolution Committee that has the goal of detecting financial fraud, right? So she is part of the committee for 3 years now, and she used to manage um, more than 1 billion of retail and institutional funds herself, right? And with a team of AI doctors under management, she developed more than 20 trading systems successfully used by investment companies in US, Europe, and Asia. So a very impressive background. So happy to work with that lady. And she founded Endotech back in 2012, and the AI trading, the algo trading that they have developed started back in 17. So they have a 3 years of track record that you guys can verify on the Endotech website. You can also refer to our last meeting. There is a recorded version of that on YouTube, so you can have a look at that. So there are some of the strategies that started back in 2017. Some of the strategies, like the leverage strategy, are pretty new. And we will have a look at some of the results. And this is the alpha strategy that is taking long and short positions. As you can see, and the minimum capital is 1 million. So Endotech has been offering algo trading to institutional and accredited investors so far, right? So if you wanted to trade with them using the API keys, they would connect to your Binance account or your Bitfinex account, and carry out trading on your behalf, on your exchange, without touching your money, right? So in the API, you would just not allow withdrawals to make sure they cannot touch your money, right? And they will carry out um, trades on your exchange, but you have to be an accredited investor with a net worth of at least 1 million, right? But the results are phenomenal, as you can see. The average annual return was more than 800%, and this is real trading. That's why uh, you will also see negative months, right? But yeah, I mean they had 21 winning months and 13 losing months, and the worst daily loss was 15%. So this is kind of telling you that this is real trading. It's not like a fixed percentage that is offered to you like many other companies do, but here we have real trading with winning and losing months and days, right? And this one is a leverage strategy that doesn't have a long history, but the performance is phenomenal, right? And yeah, what they were able to achieve with that portfolio was over 300%. And yeah, 17 winning months and 17 losing months, but still a positive result. Um, so yeah, this is a snapshot of one of our partners that has been testing the leveraged portfolio, the Ethereum leveraged portfolio. So that bot will only take long positions, so means it will be buying only, right? So whenever there is a buy signal for Ethereum, it would take a buy position, a long position, and trade with a leverage of 10, right? So the leverage of 10 basically means that your capital will grow 10 times faster than the actual um, yeah, growth rate. Well, the flip side is that if it goes the other way around, you will also be losing 10 times faster. So it's a high risk portfolio. It can be very rewarding if you do it right, but it also, yeah, very risky. So some data points on Endotech, and as I said, Endotech is allowing institutional customers to trade with them, and asset under management is $10 million right now. And the market cap in November, there's always this ratio between assets under management and the market cap. So the market cap in November was 50 million, right? All right, so as far as Daisy AI technology, so what we have here is the most advanced solution in the market of AI trading, right? And yeah, with Daisy AI, with the crowdfunding, um, with the crowdfunding effort, they would like to find or to collect $10 million for research and development to take the AI trading to the next level, right? To hire more quants, to build a new data center, and yeah, the performance will be increased tremendously, right? With those additional funds, so they will basically improve and optimize their existing AI technology. So we are not contributing to a startup because that company has a long track record. We are just contributing to a improvement, to we help the company to take the algorithm to the next level. And this is being done by using the crowdfunding model, right? And the top metrics position, the ID number one, will be used to collect those funds. So the goal is to collect 10 million US dollars, and well, at least 10 million. It doesn't have to stop at 10 million, but something tells me that they will collect much more than that because we see a lot of interest in Daisy. We see a lot of people asking for this opportunity. So yeah, that's a forced matrix, and we will talk about all the details. It's a 3 by 10 matrix. So 3 by 10 basically means we have three on the first line, we have 9 on the second, and we have 27 on the third level. But we will talk about all the details, right? So Endotech is planning to conduct a IPO, which will take place end of 21 or beginning of 22, and this will be happening on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX. Um, yeah, why Australia? I mean, Australia is so Israeli companies are very popular in Australia. That's what I was told, especially fintech companies. So and yeah, 10% of Endotech equity will go to members, right? So 5% will be distributed to members based on their packages. So the bigger the package, the more shares members will receive, and 5% will go to leaders who qualified for the pay setting pay setting qualification, right? So in other terms, 10% of the company will be owned by members and leaders, right? This is the roadmap, and as I mentioned, Endotech was registered and founded back in 12, right? The AI crypto trading algorithm started back in 17, and commercial use of the trading, so this is where institutional investors came in, started in 18. And yeah, in November they had 10 million of assets under management and a market cap of 50 million. And yeah, in December and most probably mid of December, the D.AI.SY fund and D.AI.SY crowd will launch, and we will talk about the differences between those two. And then in 21, they want to have collected 10 million that will be invested into D.AI.SY AI, right? And they want to have 500 million of assets under management by that time. And then quarter 4, 21, they would like to conduct the IPO. And then, yeah, quarter 4 and 21, they will also launch the second phase of D.AI.SY. And in 22, they want to add Forex AI trading, right, with a 1 billion of assets under management. And then in 23, adding stock AI trading to D.AI.SY fund, right? So basically trading on the stock exchange using AI technology. I think this is very unique. I haven't seen something like this before. And yeah, I mean, the smart contract that they will be using will be based on Tron. Why Tron? Because Tron is fast, Tron is cheap, cheap as far as transactions, right? It's much faster and cheaper than Ethereum. And yeah, it's transparent, so it's fully decentralized and fully automated. So all the commissions will be issued automatically and instantly, right? Everything is managed by the smart contract. You know, everything is automated. And yeah, it's a smart contract. No one can manipulate it, you know, change it or anything like that. And nobody can terminate it and steal your money, right? This is the big advantage of a smart contract combined with the Tron technology. So yeah, and this is the crowdfund packs that will be available, and you can start as low as $100. You know, so the entry level is very low, and with every level, the package will double in price, right? So we start with 100, and then the next level is 200, and then 400, 800, and so on. And by the time you invest in all 10 packages, you will have invested $102,300. Okay, so the trade account will be 50%, so 50% of the funds will go to trading. This is true for packages 1 to 7, and then starting with package 8, 70% will go to trading, and 30% will go to the D.AI.SY crowdfunding, right? So, and shares, the number of shares will also increase depending on the package you will be buying. So with the $100 package, you get 1 share, and then if you have a $400 package, you get 7 shares, and so on. Okay. Um, okay, let's discuss the referral plan. and this might be overwhelming to you. This is a lot of different bonuses, but we will discuss every bonus one by one, and we will also do a separate session on the compensation plan. But what we have here is we will have up to 46% that will be reserved for the referral plan out of the package, right? So you will see a lot of bonuses, but in case you wonder how is this being funded, so this is taken out of the 46% are taken out of the package, to pay all the different bonuses, and we have an upfront income. As soon as someone buys a package, we get a bonus, and we also have a residual income from trading profits, right? So this is happening whenever trading profits will be taken by the members. Okay, so we have a 3 by 10 force matrix. We have personal referral bonus. We have a matrix check matching bonus. We have a pace setter revenue share bonus. This is for the fast movers, for the leaders, hardworking leaders, and we have a upfront infinity bonus, which is also for the for the most active leaders, right? So, and then we have a 10 generation unilevel trading bonus. This is for regular members, and then infinity residual bonus for the high performers, right? And yeah, stock equity pace setters will also get more equity bonus than regular members. Okay, so we can choose from 10 different crowdfunding packs, and we start with $100. On pack 1 to 7, 50% go to trading, and on packs 8 to 10, 70% go to trading, right? And 70% of trading profits will be rewarded back to you. Okay, 15% will go to the referral plan, and 15% is the cut that Endotech will get, right? Which is 100% in total. So 70 for the members, 15 for the referral plan for the leaders, and 15 back to Endotech. What kind of returns can we expect? Oh, well, we don't know, but in the past, Endotech was able to generate from 400 to 1500%, which is no guarantee that we will see the same kind of returns again. And we also remember we also had negative months, so you might want to stay in long term, because you might hit a negative first month, and then be totally disencouraged, right? But if you're in for long term, you will certainly benefit. And yeah, you can withdraw trading rewards at any time. You will get some stock in Endotech, and yeah, up to 46 upfront payout. So this is something we talked about, and yeah, the metrics will fund the D.AI.SY project, right? The D.AI.SY AI project for further development. Um, yeah, so this is how the metrics will work. I mean, you will have to buy the same pack as your referrals if you want to earn commissions, right? So if you own a $200 pack and someone in your structure will own a $1,600 pack, you will not benefit from that, right? You have to have the same level of packages like your referrals if you want to earn commissions, right? So your investment level determines the packs you earn from in the metrics, okay? Higher entry packs bought in your metrics will compress up to the next qualified member, right? So if you're not qualified for the $1,600 pack, the next member above you who has that package will benefit, right? So if you expect big packages coming into your structure, make sure you buy the same size of packages you expect to come in. Otherwise, those packages, those commissions will just bypass you. Okay, so this is the metrics, and that might look overwhelming to you, but we will discuss it in greater details. Right? We have 8 different generations, um, and yeah, you don't have to recruit in the first 2 levels to benefit from your referrals. So this can be spill over, from your sponsor, and the first level is 3 members, the second is 9 members, the third is 27 members, as you can see. and with every pack sold, you will get a percentage. So this is 4% on packs 1 to 7 on the first level, and on the third it's 3%, right? And then it becomes 4 again on the ninth level, right? And on packs 8 to 10, the commission is lower. It's 2%, 2%, and so on, right? And the way it's calculated, so this column here with the $100 entry, this is showing $12. So this is basically 4% of 100, which is $4, and then 3 members, and this is 12 in total, okay? And yeah, if all members in your first level will buy packages 1 to 7, this is what you will earn, 1,524. And if all members in your first line, all 3 members, will buy packs 8 to 10, you will get $5,376. Okay? And then beginning with level 3, there will be additional requirements. So you will have to recruit people yourself, right? Spillover doesn't count, and this will be at least 3 members that you need to recruit yourself, and they will have to fund the smart contract with at least $1,000. Okay, so this is the minimum fund requirement, and then you need 27 members to qualify for that level, right? And the list goes on. I mean, on level 8, you need 18 direct people, and you need $32 turnover from your direct referrals, right? And yeah, this is the number of members you need to have. And the total earning potential, if you fill all the matrices, with 88, 572 members, you will earn around about 200 million, right? So this is a big number, of course, but and it's also hard work. But yeah, I mean, if you manage to fill 5 levels, that's already like more than $400,000. Okay. Um, yep. So I mean, there is a pace setup bonus, right? Uh, if you manage to fulfill a certain requirement, you can unlock levels 3 to 9. So if you basically, yeah, we will talk about the requirement to unlock those 3 to 9 levels. But if you do it in the first, if you fulfill the requirement in the first 30 days, you will unlock 3 to 9 levels for good, for lifetime. And yeah, if you unlock a level 10 in your first 30 days, you will basically get a profit share in 1.1% of the global crowd fund, you know. So you will get 1.1% of all the global packages, that were purchased by members, which can be huge, And you also get a equity share of 5% of D.AI.SY stock, the global D.AI.SY stock. So 5% of all the equity shares, bought in D.AI.SY AI, which can be big money, right? Um, so the direct bonus, this is 5%, and that doesn't matter how big your package is. I mean, if you have a $100 package, you can still earn direct commission from a $1,600 package, right? So there is no requirement. And the 10%, this is basically, and this is by the way not 100% approved. That's one of the things that is not final, but this is potentially 10% of all the metrics earnings of your personal referrals. So if your personal referral is earning like $1,000, through a smart contract, you get $100, 10%. Okay. Yeah, this is how to qualify for the different levels, and you have to buy, yeah, you have to qualify for those earnings having the according package, and on the left side you see what it takes to qualify, and this is all show. It was all shown in the overview we discussed previously, and well, I actually don't know in what detail I should go here, because this is really a high-end bonuses that we are talking here. But well, maybe I just discuss this one. So if you reach 1 million in total team funding in the first 30 days, right? You get, or you achieve 10 million dollars with no deadline, right? So 1 million in 30 days or 10 million with no deadline, you will basically get 1% on all crowdfund packs from your entire uni-level team to infinity, right? To infinity. And if you have someone in your first line that has achieved the same thing, you basically get 100%. So again, a 1%, right? And if you have someone in your second line who has achieved the same thing, you get 50% of that. So basically half a percent. So in total, it will be 1%, 1, and 5, which is 2.5% from infinity, right? And this can also be huge money, all right? Um, Oh yeah, this is important. This is the residual trading bonus. So that's basically a percentage of the trading profits that your members will earn. And level 1 and 2 have no requirements, and then level 3 to 10 you need to qualify for, right? And we discussed the requirements already. So whenever someone is taking profits, you will receive a percentage of that, right? And this is 3.5 on the first level, and then 1% on levels 2 to 10. Okay. Um, yeah, again, if you achieve, well, we discussed that already. I think that slide is double. So yeah, again, we have three categories of customers. So 1 to 7 level packs, we get 50% go to the Daisy Fund. On packs 8 to 10, 70% go to the Daisy Fund. And then if you buy all 10 levels, right, all 10 packs, you'll become a VIP customer. And then 100% go to the Daisy Fund. Um, and yeah, you basically connect yourself, or you connect your exchange account via API keys to the Endotech algorithm, and yeah, start trading. And yeah, 100% of your funds will be used for trading, and you pay 20% performance fee instead of 30%, right? And by the way, institutional investors that are trading with Endotech, they pay 50%, okay? So that's a huge benefit to be part of the Daisy platform, right? And then, I mean, this is just what you pay as a VIP customer. So the setup fee is 5%, and then you pay 20% on your profit. And yeah, that's basically how it works. So many people ask, so how will Endotech prove that they are trading, right? This is the most frequently asked question. And if you trade with them via API keys, you basically see all the trades on your exchange, right? But in a smart contract, there will be no trading proof. But um, Daisy will hire a international audit company, and I heard they're talking to KPMG, and this is yet to be confirmed. But yeah, an international independent audit company to do monthly audits and yeah, launch reports, so we can all verify that Endotech is carrying out trading, and this is how the dashboard will be looking like. So I'm speeding up a bit, guys, because it's already 30 minutes, and I don't wanna talk you to death, right? So yeah, I mean, what we have with Daisy is transparency, reality, long-term vision, legality, and global scale. Um, so this is how it will work. I mean, this is Daisy here in the middle, and then you get some Endotech stock if you get funded your Daisy smart contract. Some of the money will go to the Daisy fund, and rewards will come instantly to your Tron wallet, and some of the funds will go to Daisy Crowd, and yeah, will be um, will be managed by the smart contract and by the referral plan, as you can see on the right. And yeah, all you need to join Daisy is a Tron wallet, right, that you can download from the App Store or from the Google Play Store, right? And it's very easy to set up. I mean, you can buy Trons on Binance. You can yeah, use many different platforms where you can buy Tron. And actually, right now is a good entry for Tron, as if you ask me. And this is not financial advice, but yeah, good time to enter Tron and get ready for Daisy. And we have 15 days to go. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. Really, really looking forward to build that with you. And a huge thanks for joining me tonight and listening to me. And please join our Telegram group if you still have questions. You will find the link down below. And yeah, let's stay in touch and have a nice evening. Bye.